Hey, I'm John Bourgeois, your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent. And today we are in the beautiful community of Carter's Station over here in Spring Hill and Columbia. And behind me, we're actually gonna be looking at a project by Pulte Homes. You've got the Rosemont back there. I mean, it's an absolute amazing home for us to be looking at. But if this is your first time to the channel, first off, let me just say welcome. Again, my name is John Bourgeois. I am your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent. Really your resource for all things Nashville. So if you're looking for a new home, if you're looking to move, list, or even relocate, I really want to be a resource for you and definitely want to go ahead and make this an easier process on you as well. Before we do anything else, why don't we do this? Why don't we go ahead and make sure you like, you subscribe, and you turn on that notification bell. You're gonna wanna make sure that notification bell is turned on for you so that you've got as much up-to-date content as possible throughout this entire process. Other than that, welcome to your new home. Now again, I mentioned that we're looking at the Rosemont model, and that's a project and a community by Pulte Homes over here in Spring Hill, Columbia, Tennessee. And the thing that I loved about this community is, honestly, it's the additional amenities that Pulte Homes has gone ahead and put into this community. They've really thought it through, and I'm excited to share that with you. I'll touch on that in just a little bit. But the home that we are looking at today, it's going to be a 3-bed, 2-bath. You're looking at 1,645 square feet. You're looking at a 2-car garage. And the thing that I love about this home is this is a really great first-time buyer's home, a starter home, a potential rental, or even you've had the big family and now you're going ahead and downsizing a little bit. It's a great home for just that. Now, as far as the amenities and things like that go, Pulte Homes has made sure that Carter's Station has got, the communal swimming pool. You're extremely close to the walking trails. You're literally only 39 miles away from downtown Nashville, so that means you can quickly get out of the city life and get right back into it, right? On top of that, you've got, the community fire pits, but you're also very close to some amazing shopping and dining and entertainment. I don't want to hold you back any further. I think you're absolutely going to love it. Enjoy the rest of the tour. you.